So here you very clearly see, hey, this body I was depending on is not dependable. Like you are drowning, you are drowning in the river and you hold the, what is that, one branch, and the branch also a broken branch. Will you hold it? Ha! That will go. You don't have to be a human being for that. Other day I was watching there. Believe me, there are two birds are there in our that date palm tree. Kuti, chota, small birds, very colorful. They have got a habit of sitting down right on the top of the tree. Right on the top. They will not go, they don't sit down in between the trees. Right at last twig, one little bit, they'll be standing on that. Very cute. You can see them anytime. One day the fellow goes and lands there, boom, it breaks. When it breaks, what is it? It flutters up and goes into another one. Even the bird knows that it cannot sit down on a breaking branch. How come you are holding on to the continuously dying body for immortality? That is what you discover. Ayur nasyadi yatha amaghatastatoyam. Yatha amaghatastha means the ghata which is broken or with a hole. Like in a broken pot, as if the water is continuously pouring out, from this pot, life is continuously ebbing out. You may say, I am 20 years young, you are old. You may say, I am 75 years young, you are old. You like it or not. The body is old because just like the water pouring away out from the broken pot. Now this pot, as I told you, the moment it is born, death comes in the same package. You cannot live without it. You cannot keep away the death from the body. Don't try to make body changeless and deathless. It will not work. You can make body healthy. That's fine. That's fine. No problem. But extension of mortality is not immortality. Are you getting that point? Extension of mortality is not immortality. Today's man's longevity is 120. Tottenham, or the small baby prince of whatever, he died 18, 19, 20. So he must have been, 120 if I live, it would be so nice. But even 120 also is very little. When you go to Kathopanishad, we shall see. Api sarva jeevitam alpameva. Yamaraj, the Lord Death, tells to Nachiketas, young boy, live as long as you like, but don't ask about the self. That means what? The immortality is so much more precious than any time of life. Api sarva jeevitam alpameva. Who says? Nachiketas. Api sarva jeevitam alpameva. Oh Lord, even the millions of years is a speck in timeless expanse. I am not interested in something which will come to an end. I want happiness never ending, immortality never ending, never beginning. That is the mind. So here the person says, Ayur vinasyati. So this body I really cannot hang on, but that is the nature of the body. Okay. Vidyut prabheva chapala navayavana sri. Navayavana sri, the beauty of fresh youth. When you are 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, how is your body? Navayavana sri, the beauty, the freshness of a flower. So beautiful, like a freshly blossomed rose. After 2 days, what happened to the rose? The petal all falls away. The freshness disappears. The body becomes old. And this, how does this old age comes? Right next one. Vruddha pradavati yatha mrugaraja patni. Yatha, as been Mrugaraja Patni, the lioness, running towards its prey, that quickly the old age is continuously running toward this gross body. What a language. What a beautiful imagery. Mrugaraja Patni, the lioness, the king of animals, Mruga. Mrugaraja Patni, that the lioness has been running towards his prey. The physical body is a helpless prey in the hands of time. The time is continuously consuming it. Therefore, I cannot really hold on to this body. Now, to be immortal, what shall I do? Can I hold on to the body? No. Can I hold on to any thoughts? That also is not possible. The moment you give up your dependence on all these things, and then you look at about yourself, who is this I which is struggling to hold on? Body is not afraid. Why should I be worried? Ask that question. Are you getting that point? When a person is not, listen, a person is not worried lying down in a room. Why am I worried? What should you be doing in your room? What's your problem? Are you getting that point, please? The person is not worried. But you are worried about the person, what he shall be doing. What is your problem? The body is not worried about death. Why am I worried about the death? Because I think I am living through the body. Yes. Anybody lying down in a room, will you be worried? No. But suppose he is your benefactor. He is going to give you 50 million rupees. So suddenly you are worried. Suppose Kosu bites him, when a mosquito bites him, he will get angry and he won't give 5 paisa, he will go away. So if you have an interest, you are worried about the fellow. Are you getting that point? Suppose you have no interest. So many people are walking on the road. Are you putting up some show? No. Suppose somebody is coming to whom you say he likes you, you like him. Oh, everything is dressed up. Why? You are going to get something from that. He is going to get something from that. You are not worried about the thing. If a stranger passes, if body is dying, how does it matter to me? No, but for me, dehe pushte aham pushta. Body is healthy, I am healthy. Dehe nashte aham nashta. Body is gone, I am gone. Therefore, body I have to hold on to. But then suddenly I discover, even with my best of the attempt, body cannot be alive forever. Body cannot be young forever. Because freshness of the body continuously disappears like Vidyut Chapala, Vidyut Prabheva Chapala, like the flash of a lightning, how it shows the light and disappears to darkness. Youth flashes like a lightning, brilliant, stuns everybody for a second, disappears. Old age has come. You can have your youthful photo when you are 74. Send it to somebody. It means nothing. Oh, this is how I was. Thank you. This is how I looked. Oh. It's like telling my great grandfather was the king of England. So, what are you? Monkey. Eating chestnut in Oxford Street. Right? It makes no difference. What was my father, what was my great-grandfather, great-great-grandfather, what can I do about that? Once upon a time I was young, everybody was. What is so new about you? Body shall pass. Nava yavanasya. Vidyut prabheva cha. Like Vidyut prabha, like the flash of a lightning, youth passes. Like the lioness going towards the hunt, to the prey, time is continuously consuming this body. Therefore I can't rely on this. Then what shall I be? Tvameva saranam mama dinabandho. Oh, dinabandhu, the friend of the helpless. Who? The strength. And what is the strength? In yourself. I am the absolute strength. In me is the Lord. In me is the God. Consciousness that I am. Absolute sarana.